In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a contact list with Kit. We'll walk through how to bring your existing contacts into Kit using a simple CSV file. This is really useful if you're moving from another email platform, or if you've been keeping your contacts in a spreadsheet and you're ready to start using them for email marketing, newsletters, or customer updates. First, once you're logged into Kit, look toward the top of your screen for the main navigation. Find the option labeled Grow in that top menu. Hover over or click on Grow, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Subscribers. This is the section where all of your contacts will live and where you'll manage your audience over time. Inside the Subscribers area, you'll see a button or link that says Add Subscribers. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point whenever you want to bring in new people, whether that's from a form, a manual entry, or, in this case, a file import. Because we're importing contacts from a spreadsheet, choose the option that says Import a CSV. A CSV file is just a common type of spreadsheet file that many tools can export. When you select this, Kit will prompt you to upload your file from your computer. Before you upload it, double-check that your CSV has a clearly labeled email column. This is essential because Kit needs to know which column contains the actual email addresses so it can create valid subscriber records. Once your file is uploaded, Kit will show you a field mapping screen. This is where you tell Kit which columns in your CSV match which fields in your subscriber database. For example, make sure that the column called Email is mapped to email address in Kit. If you have additional data like first name, last name, or company, map those as well so you can personalize messages later. Next, you'll have the option to assign a tag to this group of contacts. Tags are extremely helpful for organizing and segmenting your audience. You might choose something like Imported Feb 2024, so you can quickly find everyone who came in during this specific import and send targeted campaigns if needed. When everything looks correct and you're happy with your mappings and tags, click Start Import. Kit will begin processing your file, creating subscriber records based on the information you provided. Once it's done, your contacts will be available in the subscribers section, ready for you to use in your email campaigns and automations.